Welcome to INFINAIR. INFINAIR offers a comprehensive line of ventilation solutions for air movement and control with strong R&D and manufacturing capacities. INFINAIR also delivers customized services to meet any ventilation challenge. The total INFINAIR ventilation system package includes the E-Lean series for smart ventilation, the Process Expert series for industrial applications, the Municipality series for public works, and the Metropolis series for commercial buildings, as well as other ventilation control solutions of high efficiency and low sound. Research and development have always been part of our DNA. Further, we have found collaboration and partnerships are essential to R&D success. Partnering with top universities and research institutions, INFINAIR has made key breakthroughs on vibration and sound control, testing, and CFD analysis, in this way launching many innovative fan products into the market. The CFD analysis allows us to quickly design energy-efficient fans with specific air volume and pressure for customers, as well as to accurately predict and optimize how they match with customer equipment. Animals have much to teach mankind. The sailfish's streamlined body serves to reduce water resistance, and the owl's wing characteristics ensure it flies without generating sound. INFINAIR engineers have studied and applied these physical principles to our ventilation solutions, achieving higher aerodynamic performance and lower sound. After applying the FEA technology, INFINAIR products have lighter weight, higher performance, and lower energy consumption, while ensuring durable and reliable operation. INFINAIR EC fan design incorporates the latest developments in the industry. High-efficiency permanent magnet motors and polymer airfoil impellers can be designed and manufactured at INFINAIR. Due to the advanced vector control algorithm, the INFINAIR E-Lean series EC fan is very well received by the local and international market. With the advantages of 5G networks, cloud computing, and Internet of Things that are developing fast in China, INFINAIR is constantly upgrading its dynamic smart ventilation control systems. Sensors and algorithms combine to detect, predict, and analyze how the current, voltage, speed, and power change. Then EC fans fault warning, diagnosis, and treatment will be given. All these make for a smart and reliable digital maintenance process. Originally established in 2006, the INFINAIR laboratory has now 4 chambers, 1 large reverberant room, and 1 semi-anechoic room. The 4 chambers vary in size, and 2 of them have a maximum air volume of 200,000 cubic meters. High-low temperature tests, fire and smoke extraction simulations, overspeed tests, rain spray tests, salt spray tests, and precision torque tests are among the testing capabilities the INFINAIR laboratory offers. These help to ensure better product design and to meet specific customization and validation needs. Accredited to ISO 17025 by Siemens, INFINAIR Laboratory is the first laboratory in the mainland of China that is accredited by AMCA. The state-of-the-art INFINAIR Laboratory helps guarantee reliable ventilation solutions for customers in any application scenario. INFINAIR is headquartered in Jiading, Shanghai, with 3 production sites in total. 2 domestic sites are located in Jiading, Shanghai, and Nantong, Jiangsu respectively. The third one is in Amman, Jordan, to serve the Middle East and North Africa markets. INFINAIR's digital factory is driven by smart manufacturing and data building in order to meet the demands of a digital future under Industry 4.0. INFINAIR's digital factories focus on flexible manufacturing and customization for specific customer needs. Manufacturing efficiency and product quality have been greatly improved through integrating the 5 systems of ERP, PLM, MOM, WMS, and DCS in product manufacturing and factory management. Eagle Service represents the determination of INFINAIR to bring value to customers. It is a complete service package, including solutions for any ventilation challenge, quick delivery of products, and reliable maintenance and monitoring support. INFINAIR ventilation solutions have made their way into the global market and been well received. INFINAIR strives to be the most trusted brand in the industry, with smart, innovative, efficient, and reliable ventilation products. The INFINAIR dream is to create an extraordinary experience of customers, happy life of family members, and an entrepreneurial space of partners. INFINAIR is your reliable partner worldwide.